Hello, my name is Sarah Peacock and I'm the Graduate Intern Manager for Locala. This presentation will provide you with further details about Locala's new graduate internship programme and the 6 internship opportunities that are currently open for applications. So firstly, who are we? Well, for those of you that haven't heard of Locala before, we are proud to be an employer and provider of NHS and local authority commissioned community healthcare services to people in Kirklees, Calderdale and Bradford. All of our services are provided in community settings, such as patient homes, schools and health centres. And those services care for and support people from birth through to end of life, ranging from health visitors to physiotherapists, sexual health to district nursing, as well as specialist dental care, school nurses and foot care. And as a not-for-profit social enterprise, we have the flexibility to tailor our services by reinvesting any surplus back into our services or our local communities to meet the needs of our communities and to develop routes into training and employment with Locala. As a social enterprise, we have established a graduate internship programme to offer local graduates the opportunity to take the first steps on their employment journey, develop their skills and talents, and gain real-life work experience. So we are looking for highly motivated, enthusiastic and hard-working graduates who have excellent communication and interpersonal skills and are passionate about making a difference, not only within services, but also within our local communities. All of our internship opportunities are paid in line with NHS Agenda for Change. They are 6 months in duration and will provide the opportunity to gain experience with a corporate or non-clinical service. And the only criteria that we have is that you must be a 2020 or 2021 university graduate that lives in the areas that we provide services in, so Kirklees, Calderdale and Bradford. And that's to ensure that we are providing recent graduates with the opportunity to take the first steps on their employment journey and that we are supporting those in our local communities. So why might you be interested in applying for a graduate internship with Locala? Well, we are offering valuable work experience at a graduate level, which means that you will have the opportunity to apply your skills and knowledge. A graduate internship will enhance your employability and career prospects by providing you with routes into training and future employment. You will have the opportunity to develop your skills and talent in a professional and challenging yet supportive environment, and will have the full support and guidance of our internship colleagues who will inspire you to achieve your personal and professional goals. You will also have the opportunity to support other graduates and share experiences through our graduate network. The image on the slide outlines a graduate intern's journey from the point of application through to the final evaluation project. We are inviting interested applicants to submit an online application through NHS Jobs, and please note CVs cannot be accepted in place of an online application. As part of your application, you will be asked to demonstrate how you meet the person specification, why you believe you are a suitable candidate, and why a graduate internship with Locala appeals to you. If your application is shortlisted, you will be invited to attend a virtual interview which will be conducted through Microsoft Teams. If you are successful at the interview stage, we will carry out some pre-employment checks in preparation for you joining us, which include identification checks and requesting references. You will then be invited to attend an induction alongside other new colleagues, a team induction alongside your service team, where you will be introduced to those colleagues who you will be working closely with and supporting throughout your internship, and also a graduate welcome event, which will introduce you to our graduate network from the onset. It is important to note that all of our internship opportunities are currently virtual and will involve working from home until it is safe to return to a remote working or office environment. You will therefore be provided with IT equipment throughout your induction, which will enable you to undertake your role at home. Our team of internship colleagues will also be there to support and guide you, and you will have the opportunity to support other graduates and share experiences. You will also have the opportunity to enhance your personal and professional development by accessing training and workshops throughout your internship, and that is in addition to the mandatory training that all new colleagues complete throughout their induction. This will include access to our leadership development programme, colleague coaching service and shadowing opportunities. And all internships will end with a project presentation, which will enable you to showcase your portfolio that you've been working on throughout your internship. Our team of internship colleagues will be there to provide you with constructive feedback, and this feedback will form the basis of the conversations that take place throughout the evaluation meeting, whereby we will evaluate how the experience you've gained will support your journey into future employment. Although we are unable to guarantee employment at the end of the internship, our team of internship colleagues will be there to support you as we look at how best we can support your journey into future employment, whether that be for applying for a permanent position with Locala, the wider NHS, or an alternative sector. So our team of internship colleagues are there to ensure that you have a positive experience and feel well supported throughout your internship, and each of them are there to guide and support graduate interns in different ways. So for example, in my role as graduate intern manager, I'm there to support, train and develop graduate interns and provide overall support to service teams recruiting an intern. Project owners are there to support graduates on a day-to-day basis in terms of their management and supervision. And mentors are there to provide guidance and direction to graduate interns in relation to their personal and professional development. So that might be through learning and reflection or sharing their personal experiences of their career journeys. Our graduate network also enables interns to share experiences, support their peers and guide each other as they embark on their internship journeys together. So we currently have 6 graduate internship opportunities that are open for applications. And this will involve gaining experience with one of the following teams for 6 months. So our business development team are looking for a graduate with a relevant degree to support them with the development of business, strategic and social impact opportunities, which could include retaining our current contracts, preparing tenders and developing partnerships. We are also looking for a graduate to support our colleague board member to ensure that colleague views are represented and reflected in organisational decisions. This particular role will involve assisting the colleague board member with the development of colleague engagement, succession planning, and developing a support system for members' council representatives. As an employee-owned organisation, we have a membership which is made up of colleague and community members, and our members' council are the voice of those members. So you will have the opportunity to gain experience with not only our colleague board member, but also our members' council representatives. Our communication team are looking for a graduate with a relevant degree to support the delivery and development of Locala's internal and external communications. So the role will involve supporting the content management of Locala's intranet and website pages, developing the Thriving Kirklees social media platforms, and Thriving Kirklees are our 0 to 19 services, and video filming and editing. This is an essential criteria of the role, so please do demonstrate that you have previous experience in these areas when applying for the communications role. Our estates team are looking for a graduate with a relevant degree to support them with the development of Locala's carbon project, a contractor's health and safety assessment scheme accreditation portfolio, and assist them with health and safety risk assessment audits and incident investigations. Our medicines optimisation team are looking for a graduate to support them with a variety of different administrative and governance activities, which could include purchase requisitions of medical supplies, non-medical prescribing registrations, and medicine newsletters, which will be shared internally with colleagues. The role will also involve assisting the team with caseload reviews and the coordination of patient visits. And finally, our transformation team are looking for a graduate with a relevant degree to support them, in particular our quality improvement programme manager, with the delivery of quality improvement processes to enable service developments across the organisation that will benefit both patients and colleagues. These 6 opportunities are currently open for applications until midnight on Sunday the 6th of June, but we do encourage you to submit your application as soon as possible, as we do reserve the right to close applications early should we receive a sufficient number of applications. Should you wish to submit an online application, please read through the guidance for applicants page on our website. You can then visit the graduate internship vacancies page and click on the arrows next to each summary for further details about the roles. This will take you through to NHS jobs, where a full job description and person specification will be available, and we encourage you to read through these documents before applying. Ask yourself why you are interested in applying for a particular role and what qualifications, skills, knowledge and experience you have, as this will help you to demonstrate how you meet the person specification and the essential and desirable criteria on your application form. If If you would like to submit an online application, please create an NHS Jobs account, which can be used to submit future NHS job applications. As part of this, you will be asked to submit information in relation to the following areas: your qualifications, your employment history, and your referees. So please do make sure that these sections are as detailed as possible. You will be asked to provide the name of 2 referees on your application form. So please make sure that your referees have confirmed that they are happy to provide you with a reference, and you are submitting up-to-date contact details to prevent future delays. If you've not previously had any form of employment, please ensure that you provide the contact details of 2 academic referees. The supporting information section provides you with the opportunity to demonstrate how you meet the essential and desirable criteria. So please make sure that your application relates to the requirements of the job description and the person specification by giving clear examples. We understand that you may not have a wealth of work experience that you can draw on, so please do include other skills and experiences that you have gained, for example, when completing your university course and extracurricular activities. If your application is successfully shortlisted, you will be invited to attend a virtual interview, where you will be asked a series of questions in relation to your past experiences and for specific examples about what your contribution was. You may also be asked to prepare a presentation in advance or undertake a practical task prior to your interview, but this is role dependent. It is therefore really important that you research the role that you are applying for, Locala, and our values prior to your interview. I've included on the slide some contact details should you have any further questions prior to submitting your application. You can contact us by email, telephone, and please do visit our website pages to find out further information about our graduate internship programme. Our opportunities are also advertised on our social media platforms, so please do visit those pages prior to submitting an application. Thank you.